Total calories, 6,272. The macro breakdown is pretty interesting to me. Protein of 440 grams. I don't need that much. Personally, I only need around 300 to 320 grams.
Accurate, very good. Just around body weight, maybe a little bit more in Mitchell's case, maybe a little bit less. His body fat's pretty reasonable, so 440 grams is extra. It's not like it's bad for you at that point, but could he potentially have more carbohydrate and be fuller in glycogen? Maybe, but with as much food as he's eating, he's probably not lacking much of anything at all.
1 gram per pound of body weight is a good place to start, but since carbohydrates are protein sparing, when you're not in a calorie deficit, you don't need to have protein that high. So 300 grams is probably what I should aim for.
Scott, it's really cool for Mitchell to go through his diet and be like, yeah, this doesn't all make sense optimally. I think a lot of people will discover what they're eating and try to rationalize it, you know? Like, well, yeah, I do need this much protein. Like, no, you don't. He's like, yeah, I don't actually need this much, and maybe I should make a change.
Yeah, that's why I put this in here. It's really
Yeah, it's really cool.
Just gone 7 a.m. So we've got 4 bacon.
4 bacon. I can't get enough of Eddie Hall's accent. Anything he says is magical. Also, Scott, you see that VIP pimp robe he has on?
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
He's awake, but he's not like out of bed yet. You feel me? He's out of bed, but he's not emotionally out of bed.
I like that he has like an intermediary stage between like
yes,
out about and
yes. I'm no longer naked, but I'm not clothed quite yet. That's awesome. 2,000 calorie breakfast, and it looks like an English breakfast too. Classic.
4 sausages, 2 black pudding, beans, tomatoes, 2 eggs.
Black pudding, Scott. That's what makes the world go around. Isn't it made of like blood or some shit like that? It's interesting to see him start off with like essentially the exact English breakfast according to stereotype, including beans and black pudding and the whole thing. Oh, you know what's funny is most people who eat this exact size of English breakfast are not interested in weighing 420 pounds and winning the world's strongest man title. But I guess a lot of them are on their way to weighing 420 pounds, and well, that explains a lot.
And 4 pieces of fried bread. All cooked in butter.
Butter? Scott? What's butter?
Sounds delicious.
It sounds really delicious. This is not health food, folks. Sausage and butter and all that stuff. For maximum health, I would say it's probably good to have, you know, cooking in something like, oh, I don't know, canola oil, avocado oil, olive oil, healthy fats, not butter, and, you know, less sausage and more lean meats. But, you know, Eddie Hall was at this time in his life, admittedly training for World's Strongest Man and strongmen in general. And health came at a trade-off of getting in high enough calories to be as massive as possible and as strong as possible. So total respect.
And black pudding is actually a superfood, I have you know. It's full of the vitamin P, vitamin Z, vitamin W.
Vitamin. One of the excellent Englishisms is calling them vitamins. Chris Williamson does that all the time. He says vitamins, Scott. But we say vitamins in these United States. I wonder how it got to be that way, you know? Yeah, Abraham Lincoln. Sounds like someone good to blame for that.
They say it better.
Vitamin is way better. Yeah.
More proper.
Got all the vitamins in it. Black pudding. Scott, can we just go quick Google here, quick ChatGPT? Black pudding is made of congealed blood? Yes?
I thought it was.